Gardening with kids is an exciting and rewarding way to ignite their curiosity about the natural world while fostering a love for plants, food, and the environment. Engaging children in garden projects offers a plethora of hands-on learning opportunities and memorable experiences. We'll explore a variety of fun and educational gardening projects that will captivate young minds and create lasting memories in the garden. 1. Planting a pizza garden. Transform gardening into a delicious adventure by planting a pizza garden with tomatoes, peppers, basil, and other pizza toppings. Children will delight in watching their favorite ingredients grow from seed to plate. 2. Creating a butterfly haven. Design a butterfly garden filled with nectar-rich flowers to attract these colorful insects. Kids can learn about the butterfly life cycle and witness the magical transformation from caterpillar to butterfly. 3. Building a mini fairy garden. Encourage creativity by helping kids design and build their own mini fairy garden. Use small plants, pebbles, and tiny decorations to create a whimsical world where fairies might visit. 4. Growing a salsa garden. Plant a salsa garden featuring tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cilantro. Kids will enjoy harvesting their fresh ingredients and turning them into tasty salsa. 5. Exploring sensory gardens. Design a sensory garden that engages all 5 senses. Include fragrant flowers, textured leaves, and edible plants to stimulate touch, smell, taste, sight, and hearing. 6. Learning with garden journals. Encourage children to keep garden journals to document their observations, drawings, and plant growth progress. Journaling enhances literacy skills while fostering a deeper connection to nature. 7. Companion planting adventures. Teach kids about companion planting by showing them how certain plants help and protect each other. Plant marigolds with vegetables to deter pests, or grow beans to enrich the soil with nitrogen. 8. Creating seed bombs. Make seed bombs by mixing clay, compost, and wildflower seeds. Kids can toss these bombs into open spaces, bringing life and color to areas that need a bit of natural beauty. 9. Growing indoor herb gardens. Plant an indoor herb garden in small pots or containers on windowsills. Children can learn about the culinary uses of herbs and enjoy fresh flavors in their meals. 10. Garden scavenger hunts. Organize garden scavenger hunts that prompt kids to find specific plants, insects, or garden features. This activity makes gardening exciting and turns it into a thrilling game. Gardening with kids is an enriching experience that nurtures their curiosity, creativity, and appreciation for the natural world. By involving children in fun and educational garden projects, they can learn valuable life skills, develop a deeper understanding of plants and wildlife, and create cherished memories. Embrace the joy of gardening with your little ones as you cultivate a love for nature and the wonders of the garden together.